Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80070057 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to sync the date and time. How do we do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane. Make sure that set time automatically and set time zone automatically are turned on. Click on sync now. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator, and then type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution requires you to clean up a lot of temporary files, but an easier way is to simply run the disk cleanup tool. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them, and then click on OK and then click on delete files. The last solution is an anti-malware scan. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security. Go to virus and threat protection on the list on the left hand side. Select scan options in the right pane. Select full scan and then click on scan now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.